University of Eastern Pangasinan Hymn. East is where the sun rises, dreams are built to progress, shining towards the light of success, through faith and love the blesses. We shine for better institution, we unite, fulfill its mission. We strive to reveal its vision, toward greatness we work with dedication. University of Eastern Pangasinan, Center for Excellence. We adore truth, His reverence, character is its key. We aim high and we fly high with unity. Skills hold my heart sharp, sons and daughters dearly beloved. We uphold the wisdom He bears all the greatness in our heart overflown. UEP, my dear, UEP so dear, the lesson, the vision and the spirit you build up upon will guard. We will care, we will shine to the world. I will lead, I will serve UEP forever.